What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video. Today we doing a mystery unboxing from Culture Kings. Culture Kings sent me this big old box of goodies. This is a mystery unboxing video, so thank y'all for viewing this video. I got a lot of goodies in there, from the sneakers to the clothes items. Y'all really gonna like this video. Telling y'all, I got a lot of goodies in here, and I know they're gonna send me a good pack. If you haven't seen my last video, go check out my last Culture King unboxing video. I got a lot of clothing materials and shoes and clothes, all good items from Culture King in that video, so you want to check that out. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Welcome to the channel. I go over a lot of clothing reviews, news, and stuff like that, so yeah, I definitely want to tune into the channel. You won't be disappointed. Styling tips and all, I got it for you. But like I said, we do have this mystery box from Culture Kings. They sent me in a bunch of goodies. Got the box right here, as y'all can see. So of course we're gonna jump into it, show the items, and of course I'm gonna put it all on. Like I said, links to everything from Culture Kings is in the description below, so don't forget to hit that link and purchase your items. Check out my TikTok, Instagram. I do styling videos on there also. So let's jump into it. Now we're gonna jump into it. First off back, I see we got a pair of shoes right here, New Balance. We do have the 9060s, 10.5. We did get the, oh yeah, these nice. We got the black and gray colorway. Now y'all know the New Balance is it's in style right now. It's like very popular. They got so many colors, and you know I love the New Balance. I even like the, y'all know right here I got the 550s. I got the 2002 R. Like, I love New Balance. New Balance, they're very comfortable. They in style now. Y'all know these are aces. They like in competition right now. Like, both of them nice. So these right here, I got the 9060s. Love this. I love this color. You can do a lot of outfits with them. Very comfortable. So of course I'm gonna be styling these, throwing these on the feet, and they are definitely comfortable. I can already tell this by the sole, but as you can tell by the details of the shoe, it is pretty dope. You got that, you know, that suede mixed with another type of suede material. Gray bottom. Y'all see the red, the diamonds on the bottom sole of it. Red on the, right there on the tongue. New Balance on the back. Got the air bubble on the back. Dope shoe. So throwing that, shout out to Culture Kings. And then we got two hats. Y'all know I love my hats. Had to get the orange colorway. This is the LA Dodger series. The upside down LA is dope. Y'all know I have a bunch of them now. I got the gray and the black, I mean the brown and the black. LA Dodger series world. Had to get the color for the fall. Dope hats. Yeah, love this. And we have the camo asteroid, the Houston asteroids. Y'all see right there. They got every team too. They just don't have LA. They have more like, you know, Atlanta, all teams, you know, states which y'all looking for. And same for this, you know, they got different, you know, teams in there for it, but this is definitely dope. This is the camo theme, as y'all can see. I see the logo Houston. So dope hats. I'm loving them. Now, as we jump into the package, got the first item. We got here. So the brand Lottery, or Lottery, I think it's Lottery. The brand Lottery. I really like their brand. Their brand is very dope. They did send in the brown hoodies, a crop hoodie. Y'all see their logo on the side. Shout out to them. Very good material. This is the dark chocolate colorway, and it's, y'all, man, if y'all can feel this hoodie, it is like high quality. This is so soft right here. Then on the back of it, y'all see we got the logos, the same logo on the back. It's more like a distressed embroidery print. Y'all see, so this is very comfortable, very dope. I know I'm gonna love this hoodie. It's like, it feels amazing on my hands right now. So next we got some pants. I did get some pants. Y'all know they have the brand Minimum on there. Y'all know I'm a big fan of Minimum. Y'all know I did plenty of clothing reviews and stuff like this, so y'all can check out them videos. Also, we have these Minimum cargo pants. Baggy, y'all see the pockets on it. They flare out kind of at the bottom. Y'all see the long drawstring on them. Dope. Minimum on the tag. I did get a size large in them because the large fit my waist size, which is like a 33, 34. So as y'all can see, good detail, comfortable, stretchy on the waist. Yeah, I can't wait to throw these on. Like the fit's gonna be crazy with these. So got that. Next, I did get, oh yeah, they sent in 2 of the Marvel shirts, and that brand is from Lottery 2. They have the Marvel collection right now. Y'all go check out the Marvel collection. It's pretty dope. These shirts are high quality, dope t-shirts. Check them out. Look at this shirt. The Deadpool shirt. Y'all see who can and Wolverine. So dope. Check it out. And it's the crop material, good material on the shirt. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I did get a size large in it. As y'all can see, that's my size. Yeah, this shirt hard. This shirt is dope. Yeah, I like it. So now the next one I did get another one. As y'all can see, it's sent in the Wolverine one. Love the color and the style of it. Like the material in these shirts are dope. Look at the graphics on it. The graphics is so cool. I like the big print on it, the yellow, the orange. Y'all know it's gonna go with the orange hat. Dope. I'm loving it. And for the last item, sitting in the box, we did get this sports like pullover. This is the team apparel, the new era NFL. As y'all can see, great quality. I see the Raiders logo on the side of the arms. Dope. Very colorful, something you can throw over. If you're a Raiders fan, they got more from teams on there too. And just sit that in, so I think that's pretty dope. So that's all I got for the mystery unboxing for Culture Kings. Like I said, all items gonna be in the links gonna be in the description below, so y'all definitely check them out. And yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think of the this unboxing. Y'all want to see more of them? Y'all comment below what y'all want to see. Any story, any brand, anything, y'all just let me know. I'm gonna be trying this on the end of the video, so y'all do not click off this video. Watch to the end. Y'all gonna see the try on, styling. Love y'all and I thank y'all. Like I said, if you're new, please hit the subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I have much styling videos on there. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.